everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have several business news I want to share with you guys, and I hope you find it interesting or helpful for your investment decisions. The first news is that in this afternoon, the coronavirus case in Florida has surpassed New York and become the second largest state in terms of coronavirus cases. So the first largest state is California with 440,000, and the second is Florida with more than 414,000, and the third one is New York. So this news showed us that coronavirus hasn't been controlled yet. Although in some places the economy has reopened. I go to a shopping mall this afternoon and I saw all the retail store has opened. But these figures maybe will bring back the economy since the situation is not that positive. And Dr. Fauci also mentioned that he will not get on a plane, go in a restaurant. That will definitely affect the economy and also people's lives. The second news is I saw Bill Ackman said wanna marry a unicorn. He's looking to have a merger with a mature unicorn, as his company, Pershing Square, has sponsored the largest SPAC ever raised. SPAC means Special Purpose Acquisition Company. But in my thoughts, unicorn may not always be a good thing, although they have been growing fast. I think the key importance is whether the company has continuously make money and turn profit, and I think profitability is one of the important part. That's why S&P 500 requires members to be profitable at least 4 executive quarters. Even though like Uber and Airbnb are unicorn, and they create a buzz in the stock market. So for me personally, I will not invest in these stocks. Even though in the future, like Airbnb will go public, I will still be very cautious about this type of company because I'm not sure when on earth will this company make money. The third news is several broker-dealers has reported this week that they have seen increasing volume of their customers as well as the trades made. For example, E-Trade has reported that in this quarter, their customer base has increased more than 200%. TD Ameritrade also reported an increase, and as Charles Schwab will increase TD Ameritrade, they also reported that in this quarter, their trade volume has increased like 400% compared with last year. And also for interactive brokers, it's increased more than 100%. That shows a lot of individual customers like us has stepped into the stock market, and since everyone is a day trader now, everyone talking about the stock market, and it has been really hit these days. Although we know those broker-dealers makes a lot of money this quarter, we are not sure whether it's really benefits for the individual customers, where there may be a bubble in the market and it can burst anytime this year. So for me, I will still be cautious and I will reserve more than 50% of the asset in cash just in case the bubble bursts, and there's a lot of investment opportunities thereafter. The last but not least news is Twitter has announced its Q2 earnings last week, and it shows that it has a user growth of 34%. However, its revenue has declined from 800 million to around 600 million. I think for social media, the revenue decline in the second quarter is understandable because less company is doing advertisement since a lot of like small business, they are shrinking their budget. Also, even for the big company like Coca-Cola, they have paused their advertisement in all of channel. The decrease in revenue would be just temporary, but like as long as they have the user increase in the second quarter, that would be a positive effect to the stock. So since Twitter still have a high potential in its stock growth, and there's a lot of positive news like the user growth as well as their new subscription model, so I would be in long position for this stock. So that's all the news I want to share with you guys today. I hope you find it helpful, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.